Good morning, students. Welcome back to our Allied Chemistry class. Hope you have done your exams well. Anyway, we had a very bad situation in 2020. Today is the last date of 2020. We are hoping for the new, peaceful, happy 2021. Okay. First, I would wish you all a happy, prosperous, peaceful New Year. Now we'll back to our Allied Chemistry 2 paper. Even though we didn't meet each other, we know through sound. Okay, so the same person who handled the Allied Chemistry 1, that is me, Chantini, is going to handle you Allied Chemistry 2. Today we will just see the syllabus of what you have to study, and we'll start on the next year. Okay, so Allied Chemistry 2 also have 5 units. Objective is to learn the chemistry of basic aromatic compounds, to understand the nuclear particles and few nuclear reactions, to know about carbohydrate, amino acid, proteins and nucleic acid, to study about fuels, fertilizers, cement and glass, to know about some common diseases and the drugs used. Okay, so you have 5 units. First is about aromatic compound, second one is nuclear chemistry, third one to know general, it is biochemistry, what is carbohydrate, what is amino acids, what is proteins, what is nucleic acid, what is the effect they have on our life, etc. Then we will study about certain industrial substances like fuels. We need fuels for our daily life. Then fertilizers, cement and glass, these all terms are familiar to you. Then we'll go to some common diseases and drugs used. What are the different types of diseases? Normal drugs, that is the regular drugs we used to take when fever comes, when cough comes, that's all. Okay, what is it, what is its chemical structure, etc. Then first unit is organic chemistry, where you will study what is aromatic compound, then general characteristics of aromatic compound, aromaticity, it is a phenomena, and how you can say whether a compound is aromatic or not, that is Haeckel rule. Examples, then normally this will be benzenoid structures. Now we'll see some examples of benzenoid, non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. You have to see only the definition and examples. Then we'll go for preparation, properties and structure of benzene, naphthalene and anthracene. These are 3 aromatic compounds, out of which benzene you have already studied in your plus 2. Then you will see what is naphthalene, anthracene, how it is prepared, what is its chemical reaction, that is properties. Property means how it reacts with the other compounds. Then it should have a structure, how we reach the structure, that is structure. So these 3 you have to study, that is first unit. Okay, again second unit will come under physical chemistry. It should be covered within 13 hours. It's nuclear chemistry, that also you have already studied in 12th, and it's very important nowadays because we need energy, we need fuel. Okay, so what we use today is hydroelectric power and all, which is going to finish fast. So we need an alternative. For that we can use the nuclear energy. So that is only nuclear chemistry. Physics people might have studied, or they may even have a subject itself, nuclear physics, so they will be more familiar. Zoology people does not feel, you also have studied. We are going to see only the basics. So what is the next one thing is nuclear stability. So nuclear stability is designed, or it is defined by N by P ratio, neutron to proton ratio, packing fraction, mass defect, binding energy. We'll see what is all these 3 and how it is related to the nuclear stability. Nucleus in the stability eppadi idu influence pannum, or how you can predict, ഒരു ന്യൂക്ലിയസ് വന്ന് സ്റ്റേബിൾ ഓർ നോട്ട്, ദാറ്റ് വി ക്യാൻ സേ. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് isotopes, isobars and isotones with examples. That is certain terms only that we will see. Now separation of isotopes by diffusion method. There are different methods, but we are going to see only diffusion method. Then most important, group displacement law, and based on that we have certain series. Series means a group of compounds, that we call it as radioactive series. It's very important when you take nuclear chemistry. Then the most important one, nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. That is what we make use for nuclear energy, production of nuclear energy. Then application of radioisotopes. When you take the application, you have only two studies, one in medicine and one in dating. Dating means to find the age of fossils and all. Okay, so radio diagnosis and therapy, that is medicinal use, and carbon 14 dating. Out of this is familiar to you. You are everyday hearing only cancer treatment, diagnosis, etc. So there radiation, chemotherapy, all the things that involves these diagnosis and therapy. Then carbon 14 dating, you have already studied how to determine the age of a fossil or some rocks and all, how we can determine. That is what is carbon 14 dating. Okay, so that is unit 2. Now unit 3 is biochemistry. It's very interesting. We are going to see what is carbohydrate. You don't have to go into the deep and all. You have only what is definition, then classification. Okay, so what is meant by carbohydrate and how it is classified. Then artificial synthetic sweeteners. When we get all this soft drinks, chocolate, sweets and all, it will contain certain artificial sweeteners for getting the taste sweet instead of the carbohydrate. So we will see some examples, what are the different types used. Then amino acids, its classification. When you take the case of amino acids, two important point is amphoteric nature and isoelectric point. Amphoteric nature means it reacts well with the acid and base. So how, why and what is isoelectric point. Then proteins, we have classification according to their composition, solubility and shape. That is okay. So proteins எடுக்கும்போது you should know what is proteins. അതിനെ எப்படி classify பண்ணுന്നത്. അത് classification வந்து ഒരു മെത്തേഡിൽ ഇല്ല. കോമ്പോസിഷനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്ത് അതിനെ ക്ലാസിഫൈ பண்ணാം, സോളിബിലിറ്റിയെ ബേസ് ചെയ്ത് അതിനെ ക്ലാസിഫൈ பண்ணാം, ഇനി ഷേപ്പിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്തും classification is there, that we have to see. Now then color reactions and biological action. ഈ പ്രോട്ടീൻസ് വന്ന് ഹൗ വി ക്യാൻ ഡിറ്റർമിൻ ഇറ്റ്, അത് വന്ന് certain കെമിക്കൽസുമായിട്ട് റിയാക്ട് பண்ணும்போது it will give some color. So அந்த color, why that color is coming, என்ன type of proteins will react with certain chemicals and other type will be reacting with another type. So அது வந்து we will be seeing. Then biological action, how it acts or how it is important for our life. നമ്മുടെ ഹ്യൂമൻ ബോഡിയിൽ ഈവൻ വെൻ യു ആർ ഗോയിങ് ടു സ്ട്രെച്ച് യുവർ ഹാൻഡ്സ്, ഉങ്ങളുടെ കൈ എടുത്ത് യു ആർ ഗോയിങ് ടു ടേക്ക് എ പെൻ ഫ്രം ദ ടേബിൾ, it has some action of protein. So that action we are going to study. Then nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is mainly made of purines and pyrimidines. So these purines and pyrimidines will constitute nucleosides and nucleotides. Okay, that nucleotides only what we call it as DNA and all, you may be familiar, deoxyribonucleic acid. That is what makes us related to our parents. DNA when it is it will carry some characteristics of the parent transferred to us. So when a child is born, we used to ask two questions. What is the weight? Whom she look or he looks like, whether it is like father or mother. So that is determined by what is known as DNA. You have to study only the structure of DNA. It's a very important one. That also you might have studied in your +1, +2 classes, Watson and Crick model. Then RNA, it is ribonucleic acid. That there are different types of RNA. We'll just see the types alone. We are not going to into the details. Just an overall knowledge of what is it. For zoology people, they will be more familiar with all the things. They might have already studied. Physics also in the school classes they might have studied. Okay, so it's not so difficult at all. Basics only you are going to study. Then the industrial chemistry, unit 4. There we are going to see certain things which we apply in our day-to-day life. Fuel we need for cooking, to run our vehicle, to see the electricity, all the things we need fuel. So there are different types of fuels what we use. One is water gas, producer gas, LPG, gobar gas, natural gas. These 5 you have to study. What is water gas, how it is produced, what are the content, what are the different types of chemicals present in it, what is advantages, disadvantages, all this we will be seeing. Then for our food we need vegetables, fruits, cereals, etc. that we cultivate. So for a better harvesting we used to add fertilizers. That fertilizers mainly contain 3 minerals: nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Nitrogen N, potassium K, phosphorus P. So NPK, that we will see. And mixed fertilizers, there are separate fertilizers which contain only nitrogen, for example urea, only phosphorus, only potassium. Okay, and there are also fertilizers which contain all the 3. So we'll be seeing that in general, simple one. Then soaps and detergent, which is very important in 2020. We used always to say 3S: wash your hands, wear the mask, and also social distancing. Soap, mask and social distancing. So soap, we are going to see what is soap, an elementary idea of soaps and detergents. That is only basic knowledge what it is and how it action, cleansing action of soaps and detergent. அது எப்படி டர்ட்னு க்ளீன் பண்ணும், that we are going to see. Then cement and glass. Cement Portland cement alone manufacture you have to see. Then glass எப்படி manufacture பண்ணும். There are different types of glasses, borosilicate and glass. அதில் different types இருக்கு, அது we will see. And 2 important type, photochromic and safety glass, we will be seeing. That is industrial chemistry. And finally we have the pharmaceutical chemistry. There we will see diseases. What are the different types of diseases? There are infective diseases, insect-borne, airborne, waterborne, hereditary diseases. Airborne is what is COVID-19. It will spread through the air. So that what is it? Basic knowledge. Then definition and examples of some drugs. Analgesic. Analgesic means pain release. Antipyretic, fever, temperature reducing. Then sulfur drugs, it's used for different diseases. Malaria, to prevent malaria there is anti-malarial drugs. Then you might have already heard antibiotics. So that we have to see. Then the very common disease diabetes, how it is caused, what are the different types and what are the drugs used for it. These all are general knowledge only. Then we will just see Indian medicinal plants. Indian medicinal system has its own importance. So we have a wonderful plant which is tulasi, another one neem. These 2 are very wonderful plants which have very good advantages than what we imagine. So we will see importance of tulasi, neem and kiranelli. So these are the 5 units you have to cover in this semester. Okay, so first will come under organic, then second one is physical, that is nuclear chemistry. Third one is biochemistry. Fourth one is industrial chemistry, and fifth one is pharmaceutical chemistry. As a general, all the things, and it's very interesting. Only the general basics of each one you have to study. It's not so tough and all. You can easily study it only. So kindly concentrate on it. Study well. Okay. The textbooks what is prescribed for you is Puri Sharma Kalia, that is Principles of Inorganic Chemistry. Written by Puri Sharma and Kalia. It is published by Milestone Publishers and Distributors. Then P.L. Soni Textbook of Inorganic Chemistry. This is the prescribed textbook. Then you have some reference books. Ball and Ball, Organic Chemistry. Ball and Arun Ball, Organic Chemistry, published by S. Chand and Sons. Morrison and Boyd, Organic Chemistry. 5th edition. Britons Hall of India Private Limited. It is a publisher name. Then P.L. Soni Textbook of Organic Chemistry. J.L. Jain, Sanjay Jain and Nitin Jain, Fundamentals of Biochemistry. And S. Lakshmi, Pharmaceutical Chemistry. So these are the books you have to refer for allied chemistry too. Okay. So this is what, and you have, when you take the case, you have 4 credit out of that. So 4 classes per week you have. Okay. Out of that, 2 are tutorials and 2 are lecture. That is, 2 should be for your assignments and all, and 2 should be for taking class. That is, it means, and 4 credit system. Okay. So these are the 5 unit we have to see. That we will start anyway. This is the last day of 2020. So we'll say bye to 2020. Hope for a good tomorrow. We'll start from D5 first hour of 2020. Once again, I wish all of you a happy new year.